Seriously, you were in the shower, brother? You got your shower bag?
I have a time record, buddy, when you came. Just 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Yeah.
Well, you're fucking wet. Your chest is wet.
What?
Your chest is wet.
Look, you piece of shit. You just went and took a shower. You just parked your fucking truck right here in the exit lane. Then went in there and took a shower. You want to get your ass kicked, or you want to move the fucking rig?
You just put that shirt on. You were in the damn shower. I gotta fucking leave, brother.
Do what you want to do.
Do what I'm doing. You're in the goddamn shower. You know you were. God damn. Go back to your fucking country, motherfucker. Go back to your country.